In this video, we're going to start solving simultaneous equations algebraically, and we're going to use the steps over there on the left. So the first thing is to label our equations. So I've got equation 1 and equation 2. Then we're going to add the equations to eliminate a variable. Okay, and we'll see what that means in a minute. So 4b plus 5b is 9b, so that variable's still there. That hasn't been eliminated. C plus negative c, well, that's 0c. So I don't need to put anything there, and therefore I've eliminated that variable. Lastly, on the right-hand side, 11 plus 16 is 27. Okay, so I've done the second stage. So now solve this for the first variable. Well, 9b equals 27, so divide both sides by 9. 27 divided by 9 is 3. So my first variable is b equals 3. Now I need to sub that answer into one of the equations to find the other variable. So I'm going to sub b equals 3 into equation 1. So let's write equation 1 again. So 4b plus c equals 11. So replace the b with 3. Put it in there. Let's do 4 times 3 is 12 plus c equals 11. Take away 12 from both sides. So that leaves c on the left-hand side. 11 take away 12 is negative 1. Right, now it says check in the other equation. So just to see if we're on the right track, let's put both our answers for c and b into equation 2. So equation 2 here, let's just write that out again. There we go, just move up a bit. So I'm going to replace the b with 3 and the c with negative 1. Make sure that's in a bracket. Let's do some work here. So 5 times 3 is 15. Take away negative 1, and that's going to be 15 plus 1, and it does equal 16. So if your final line makes sense, you've got the right answers. So the last thing I want to write down is then our answers. And therefore, we've got b equals 3 and c equals negative 1. Okay, let's do a second example. So let's label our equations here. We've got equation 1 and equation 2. Let's add them together and to eliminate one of the variables. So 7e plus negative 7e is 0e, so that's been eliminated. 4f plus 2f is 6f, and 16 plus negative 13 is 3. So 6f equals 3, so I'm going to divide both sides by 6. I'm just going to put that on there, and on the left-hand side I'm just left with f. 3 over 6 is the same as a half, so f equals a half, right? Let's now sub f equals a half into one of the equations. I'm going to go for equation 1. So we've got 7e plus 4f is equal to 16. 7e plus, now I'm going to replace the f with a half. Now let's solve that equation. We've got that there. Right, we've got 7e. 4 times a half is 2, equals 16. Take away 2 from both sides. 7e is equal to 14. Divide both sides by 7, we've got e equals 2. So we've got f equals a half, e equals 2. Let's check that in the other equation. Let's give myself plenty of room in here. So the other equation, number 2, was negative 7e plus 2f is equal to negative 13. So substituting e for 2 and f for a half. So on the left-hand side, I'm going to get negative 14 plus 1, and negative 14 plus 1 is negative 13, so I have got the right answer. So the last thing I want to do is just write out my answer here, and I've got e equals 2 and f equals a half.